Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
南
Now please follow me to learn the pronunciation.
南 n an 南南南瓜南瓜这个南瓜又大又圆，这个南瓜又大又圆。南极南极企鹅住在南极，企鹅住在南极。指南针指南针航海需要指南针航海需要指南针。
Next, let's look at how to write the character. This character has a few more strokes, but it is not too difficult to write. It's a bit difficult when you first start writing Chinese characters. Write and imitate more, and you'll get better gradually. Ancient Chinese people regarded the warm, sun-facing direction as the south. The south has abundant sunshine and a mild climate, where all things grow luxuriantly. In traditional culture, the south is a noble direction. Pay attention to making the outer part a little larger to enclose the inner part. This class is over. See you next class.